Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you Sopami Car Coating Spray review. Legit or scam? I recently came across ads for a product called Sopami Car Coating Spray, which is marketed as an advanced nanotechnology spray that can give your car a glossy showroom-like shine while protecting the paint from dirt, UV rays, water, and scratches. The ads claim it creates a hydrophobic ceramic layer that makes water bead off instantly and prevents oxidation, showing dramatic before and after clips where dirty, scratched paint suddenly looks brand new with just a quick spray and wipe. However, the reality is different. This product appears to be another overhyped dropshipping item. This video is only for awareness and education, not for promoting or selling the product. While Sopami promises professional-level ceramic coating results at home, what you usually get is simply a basic detailing spray. Real ceramic coatings require proper surface preparation, curing time, and professional-grade products that last for years, not a cheap spray bottle. Many customer reports and independent reviews say the spray may provide a temporary shine or slight water beading, but the effect fades quickly, does not last through multiple washes, and certainly cannot remove or heal scratches as shown in advertisements. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.